Are you still manually adding your meta leads to the CRM? Then watch this video till the end. So right here, I'm going to fill my meta lead ads form, providing the email address, first name, last name, phone number, and the city of the user. So here I'm going to click over the submit button and my meta lead ads form will be successfully submitted. So right here, you can see that my form has been submitted. Now let's move on towards my Zoho CRM account to check whether we are receiving a new contact over there or not. So right here, I'm on the contacts page of Zoho CRM, which I'm going to just refresh. And here you can see that we are successfully receiving a new contact having the same name, email address, phone number, which I have just filled over my meta lead ads form. So now you can see that as soon as I have filled my form, a contact is created over my CRM, and it is happening so because I have built in an automation integrating both the applications by using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate varieties of applications. So now let me show you how you can also automate your business task by using Pabbly Connect. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating these automations. So now let's move on towards my workflow page. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is going to be pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So trigger is the first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads. So here I have selected it as my trigger application. Now let's select the app event as new lead instant and click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection, you just have to select this button of add new connection. Now let's connect with Facebook lead ads. And right here I'm going to select my Facebook account. So as I have clicked over this continue button, my connection has been built in so smoothly as I have already logged in my Facebook account. So make sure to log in it. And here on my Facebook account, I have created this page named as the Magic Makers, through which I'm going to receive my new meta leads. So here I'm going to select the page which I have just shown you, and now we have to select the lead gen form. So here I'm going to select this form, that is new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. But if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this particular page, then you have to select this all lead gen forms also. Now let me select the response format as simple and click over the save and send test request. And right here you can see that the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. So now let's provide the webhook response to the Pabbly Connect by submitting the meta leads form. So for that, you have to move towards my Meta for Developers page, where on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools, which you have to select, and you will be landed to this page where I'm going to select this tool, that is the lead ads at you debug tool, and we will be landed to the lead ad testing tool page, where I'm going to select the page which I have just shown you, that is the Magic Makers. And here I'm going to select the same form, that is new leads, through which I want to receive my new leads. And now let's click over this preview form button. And right here we are getting this form which I'm going to fill. So right here I have filled this form, providing the email address, first name, last name, phone number, and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our meta lead ads form. So here it is successfully submitted. Now the lead details might be captured over our Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 4 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled over our meta lead ads form. And now I'm going to add this lead to my Zoho CRM account. So for that, I'm going to use my action application as Zoho CRM. So now let me search for it. And right here you can see that I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as create contact. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building the new connection you just have to select this button, that is connect with Zoho CRM. And now we have to enter the domain of our Zoho CRM account. So right here I'm on my Zoho CRM account, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this domain given over the search bar, that is zoho.in. So I'm going to add it to my Pabbly Connect. Now let's save it. And now here I'm going to allow the access as my data is 100% safe with Pabbly. And as I have clicked over this accept button, my connection has been built in and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the lead source. So from here you can select the lead source created over your Zoho CRM account. And now here we are getting all these fields for entering the details of the lead. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. And the process is simple, you just have to press this slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application, that is Facebook lead ads. So from its response I'm going to map the first name. Now likewise I'm going to map the last name of my lead, and now let's map the email address and the rest of the details. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single lead received over your meta ads. And now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary. So now let's click over the save and send test request, and right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a contact might be created. So now let's move on towards my Zoho CRM account, where I'm on the contacts page which I have just refreshed, and here you can see that we are successfully receiving this lead having the same name, the email address and the phone number which we have just filled over our meta lead ads form. So now you can see that we have successfully built in this automation, by using which I'm creating a contact over my Zoho CRM for my newly received meta leads. So now you can also create this automation for whatever business you are running. And now you don't have to manually check for the leads and add those leads to your CRM, because this automation is going to do so. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.